Alright guys, we're out here with the 69 Mustang. Talk about what we've got done. I didn't get any video recording done because one, I started recording and got sidetracked, then I lost my camera, so no time lapses this week. So we'll show you what's going on. So for one, we've got the disc brake conversion done. So as you can see, we got our discs on there. I still got to bleed them and run the e-brake lines. So that's the one thing that's left on those. Obviously a very crucial thing. The rear end is completed. And as you can see, we do not have any leaks. I've got it full of fluid and everything, so no leaks. That's why I put the cardboard down there, obviously. So it's been sitting there for a couple days. There's nothing going on there. And of course, my buddy came over last night, and we really got these areas bondoed and smoothed out, so no longer having any of the lead fill lines. So should be able to start doing some body work now, start really getting some primer on the car. I still need to work on some other things, like I need to run the fuel system. As you can see, this is a mess in here. I need to actually bolt down the gas tank and run the fuel lines. I still need to work on the trunk lid, do some body work on it, get it smoothed out, and various other things. There's a ton to do on this car still. But mainly I really need to start focusing on the body work and getting primer on this car so I can start thinking about paint. June's going to be here pretty soon, and I need to have this car up and running and ready to go on road trips. So Hot Rod Power Tour is the way it's going to be. So yeah guys, that's what we got going on. I still got to choose a color. I've still got to put a new carb on this thing as well. I've just got a 1405 standard manual choke carb sitting on this thing right now. It was just one I had laying around, so you know, it fit with the shaker, everything like that. And I'm sure there's going to be a whole list of things that cause issues along the way. I mean, got to put all new rubber on everything, get the side scoops, you know, painted and all that installed. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but for the most part, I'm so happy now that we've got all this done. So a lot of also painting of rusted areas. So all this, I'm going to need to put some rust proofing on there. So some rust encapsulator underneath as well. I still got to do the front suspension work. So that's another thing. I haven't done anything to the front suspension. It's not really bad. I never really had any issues out of it, but I'll probably end up doing that. At least putting new shocks and springs and saddles on it at the very least. We'll see. But yeah guys, that's it. So as always, you know, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if there's anything you need to ask about the car. My 3D printing, 3D designing. I do a little bit of everything. So just, if you have questions, ask. Watch my other videos, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face.